No, don't throw the spoon. Aaron. Mommy's got it. Oh.
Aaron, can you say uh-oh? Uh-oh.
That was a good one.
Can you show them your tongue? Where's your tongue? Nice tongue. Nice tongue. Can you say dada?
Da.
Da. Dada.
Da.
Can you say mama? Can you say mama?
Get one with the ice crunch. And say mom? Oh my god. You say mama.
Uh-oh.
Say mama. Mama. You say mama? That's your name now, apparently. Here I am. I'm a ham. Take a picture.
Where's
like the...
Where's mama? Where's mama? Oh, you're doing behind
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
He's got to figure it out.
Smart, eh?
Yeah.
Very
Wow.
smart. Very smart.
Where's Dada? Oh, he's posing, eh? He's so posing.
He's been like that since he's little when the camera comes on. He like works it.
You can do some neat tricks. Where's Dada?
Can you say dada?
Say dada.
Da.
Say mama.
Say ma.
That's what he keeps doing.
I think he looked at me this time. Oh. Are you cute? Are you cute?
Say uh-oh.
You got that, Grandpa?
Aaron, are you very cute? See the flower? Are you very cute? Aww, so cute.
Oh.
So cute. Aww. So cute. So cute. Do you want out? Are you all done being a show? You never been.
Way to get it in there.
It sticks to the hand, so if you keep moving the hand, it'll eventually get to the mouth.
Are you all done? Say, all done. All done, mommy. Yeah? Okay. Okay, you will watch the clock.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What's the problem? Is he playing peekaboo with you? Is he